Something gets right through to your telling bone. There's a sudden hitch, an electric twitch. Sometimes I swear this body's got a mind of its own. This is the naked truth. This is the light. There's only one place left to go.